My name is Lovely Joubert, and I am the executive producer of Endurance. When I was 14 years old, I started to write. I have a passion for writing. I love writing. And when I was 18 years old, my pastor put me in charge of the entire youth, which was extremely frightening for me because I was extremely young. But as I got older, I started to learn everything that I didn't know before about the young people, everything that they're going through in life. I remember when I was the youth leader, I was like their best friend, and it was about 18 or 20 of them. And when I moved to another church, I wasn't their leader anymore, and I heard one of the youth passed away. He was dealing with drugs and everything like that, and I felt like I need to do something. I need to change our community, especially our young men out there. I need to have a story who's gonna tell them that they do not have to sell drugs. If they do not have to take drugs, if they're dealing with something terrible in their life, they can lean on God, they can lean on their education, and they can push themselves to be what God created them to be. When I first started thinking about Endurance, I just wanted this phenomenal story to touch people's heart. I wanted this story to not only be a film, but for it to be something that could change their lives. I talked to a great director about it. His name is Samuel Vincent. He's amazing. When I talked to him about it, he was like, no, this story, you need to write it in English. So he referred me to a phenomenal scriptwriter. His name is Bradley Alcime. And I talked to my pastor about it, and my pastor approved my project. My mom and my dad also approved it, and they said, Lovely, I'm gonna push you. I'm gonna support you, because I've always been a big fan of the theatrical world. I want all of you guys to go support this phenomenal project. This movie is amazing. It's gonna be amazing. I'm not just telling you guys this because it's my film. I am telling you this because it's gonna change your life. You're gonna get out of the theater feeling something. You're gonna wanna change the world. You're gonna wanna change our youth. You're gonna wanna help them. And it's not only for young people. It's for everyone who's going through something that felt like they wanted to give up. Everybody went through something in their lives. And I want everyone to check out our link, our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can also view our website if you want to purchase the ticket.
We love him so